Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review and also quick unbox this nice looking projector. It is called Artlii and is modeled Enjoy 2. And yes, this is bringing 720p native resolution, can accept up to 1080p input, and also it will give you roughly about 6000 lux brightness, and it also comes with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection directly to it, and some upgraded little parts. I do not want to forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and make sure you click the notification icon, select all, in order to get notified once we have a new video out. On top of that, if you have a question, drop them at the bottom of the video. We love to help you out ASAP. And don't forget to click the like button. It really motivates us to make these type of videos quickly with a little more detail every time. Alright, you can see that the box is nicely designed, doesn't have much marking. Once you open it, and here are all the components that are part of this box. It comes with this simple connection warranty card. Now when you go to the back of it, it talks more about it. You need to fill this out and also keep this just in case if you ever needed warranty. It also comes with this user manual. Now it is pretty thick, but once you go inside of it, it has a lot of things covered that you will learn from this video. It will give you some instructional videos if you ever needed help. It is not only here, but also they have it online. Their website is there, and also if you need customer service, you can go to the bottom email and you will be able to get contacted. Now it also comes with this power line. So one side is just created for Canada and United States, and the other side of it is just a little prong that you're going to connect at the back of your projector. It also comes with this little adapter for RCA, and then this side will be connected to your projector. But remember that these are female connectors for the RCA, so you're required to have the other wire that will be male on this side and also male on the other side to connect it to your VCR. It also comes with an HDMI cable, and it also comes with this beautiful little IR remote. This is how you will be able to play with the settings, and also if you want to play a movie and more using this. Bring the volume up, volume down, also have the power button, you also have the settings button and more. If you want to rotate the screen, everything is going to be on this. We will be playing with this remote when we turn on the actual projector. And once you open it, you can put 2 AAA batteries, which is not included in this box itself. Now the best part and the biggest part is going to be the projector itself. It's sitting inside of a little plastic, which is beautiful, so that way it does not get scratches. But when you look at it, it looks really small and really compact. Now going to the front part of it, you have the big lens. There's a little cap for it, you can take it off. And then I really like that little sensor on the side. And then you have the little icon in the bottom. That means this is facing up. Now going on the other side of it, these are just for ventilation. You have a headset jack, you have an AV port, 2 USBs, you have a card reader on the top, and then you have the HDMI connection, which is only one connection. Now going to the back part of it, you have a VGA connection, then you have an IR sensor. And if you look on this side, here is where the speaker will set. And then on this side, you power connection. Now what I really like is has 4 little legs so you can stand up. You have a little part for the tripod, and then if you want to put it on a table, you can use this part, so that way it will give you a little angle. Then on the sides it's curved and it has some holes for ventilation. Now on the top it has a little part that says the company name really nicely, and then on the other side you have the navigation key. And also you have the little LED light, and you have the power, the return, the menu, and then also the source button right on top of the projector itself, just in case if you ever forget where your remote is. Now the top part has 2 sections. It will explain it to you what they are for. So the top part is for focus, which we will show in a and also the keystone, which is right underneath of it, which will give you about 15 plus or 15 minus. That means 15 degrees to the top or to the bottom. Alright, so enough said about it. Let's get this connected. So when you turn it on, this is the first screen that you're going to get. So it has a lot of menus on the front, but you have the Wi-Fi connection right on the top and then your Bluetooth. So when you connect it, those will be lit just like I have the Wi-Fi setup. So in order to process that, you can see it, you have the main launcher. This is Android, but very locked version of it, because you can Miracast, you can AirPlay your iPhones to this, and on top of that, you can DLNA your Windows 10 on this or Mac in order to get it wirelessly connected. We will try to go through and show you one by one, but you also have your settings, which is right over here. And under settings, you have a lot of things set up really nicely. So going through, you have your network, so you can set up all your Wi-Fi, and then you have your Bluetooth, so you can connect your speaker, which I'm just going to show right now. Now we're going to connect our Bluetooth speaker. We just have to turn it on, and we're going to pair this with our projector to see how loud the sound can get. And there you go. Now we're going to scan for our speaker, and there you go, it found one, so we're going to connect to it. And then once you connect, there you go, now it made that noise that it is connected. So now we can go back and let's go through and play something. Now the sound is very loud, so I want to bring it down a little bit, and then we're going to play one of our videos.
Thank you for visiting our channel.
It's a lot better. It sounds way better than the actual projector sound itself. And then you also have your projection screen. So this way you can make it to be in a front and a back, just like this. You can flip it. Also, if you have it as a back projection, you can do that too. You can hook it up to your ceiling upside down, and that will also going to help you out. That's not the only thing. You can go to advanced settings, and here you can make it so it automatically boots into your HDMI, or you want to go to your regular home, you can do that too. And everything else is in the bottom, how everything is presented to you. Now, if you are connected to your internet, you can check for software update. If there is availability, you will get a pop-up so you can update it. That's another cool thing. And also your information is there. And the next part is the actual source. The source is really cool the way that they have set it up. So when you click on it, you get all of your settings there. Now, what you can see right now in the background is my bus TV. You can see in the bottom that you have source, image, and sound. So when you go to your image, you can fix your image mode. Also aspect ratio, so you can change it from 16:9 to 4.3. And also your brightness, your contrast, and your color. Also your sharpness. These are really mandatory. Whichever room you're in, if you wanted to get it darker or you want to make this to be lighter, that is how it is possible. This is the best thing. It's called digital zoom. When you click on it, you will be able to change. There you go. This is your zoom. So you will be able to make it a smaller screen, so that way it will fit your screen properly. Now, I always like to leave it on 100% because I want to see the maximum quality and the maximum size that you can get. But what I really like is the sides are not out of focus. And some of them that I hear all the time that, hey, mine is out of focus. Always remember that this one is not. I have positioned it a little bit higher, but I do not have any kind of problem when I'm projecting something on the screen. The only thing I'm worried about is that it should be right straight, because sometimes, like even right now, these parts are not really straight. So one part is higher than the other one. So that's the only thing. But if you have a screen and you want to hook this up to your wall or on a tripod, this does the job perfectly for you to even connect it on a tripod. So this is the quality that you will get once you have it. You can see that I am hands-free, and I want to show you exactly what you will get once you zoom in very, very near to the actual screen and once you zoom out. So they have done it really nicely because it is going to give you a proper color. Even when you go in really near, you can see that the pixels are mashed up really nicely. So that is something that really stands out for me. That's not the only thing. Now, if I want to grab the sound out of this,
designed a little bit different. So the power's there, also menu, home, forward navigation key.
With Miracast. Now, this is also all the same. It uses your Wi-Fi connection to connect. It will tell you the name right in the bottom, right over here. Every projector have their own name, so don't go with mine. So for Miracasting, if you go to your phone, you will be able to see the name shows up right there, which is written in the bottom. So it is kind of blurry. Let me just click on it and I say start. And then as soon as it goes to connect, you will be able to see it that is going to pair right now, but make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi as your projector. And then as soon as it connects, and now it connects perfectly. So now I can go through, and now you can see that how fast it flips around to see all the icons that are part of this. You see that? That's how easy it is for you to use Miracast from your phone to the screen itself. Now this is a test with the lights on to show you exactly how faded it will get. But now once we turn off the light, this is how bright it will get. It's beautiful. It looks really cool even on the naked eye when you're looking at it. Now to check exactly what type of lux or lumens this projector gets is right here. I have this meter, and this meter will tell me exactly what type of numbers we're getting. You can see right now that it is auto at the bottom is out of 200, but my number is going roughly about 103 to 122 numbers. So if I have to go further back, you can see that the number is not changing that much. So it's telling me that it is not very, very bright, but it is not dark either. Now this is just a fan noise test, and I'm very near to the projector itself. How loud the internal speaker is. Now one thing I do not want to forget is that you can project from a 32-inch, which is roughly about a meter away, to a 300-inch, which you need about 5.5 meters away from the projection screen itself before it goes out of focus. All the links will be available in the bottom of the video, except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xctex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.